I was pretty sure that programming or a programming job would be like living office space, and I never wanted to do it ever. I had friends that went into computer science and got programming jobs straight out of school, and by and large, they hated their lives. And it was by pure happenstance that I ended up visiting you at Pivotal and saw that, hey, there is another way of doing things. People talking to each other.
There was one internship I had where I went down to the engineering floor, and I swear to God, you could hear the clock ticking on the wall. It was so quiet. And then I came here for my interview, and I'm like, instantly overwhelmed. Like, everyone's talking, and like not just rambling, like people are actually having meaningful like engineering technical discussions, and you can just hop into those conversations.
I joined with very little experience. I had never had a software job before, and yet the culture of pairing enabled me to learn on the job and learn all these things. We've tried to maintain that and have people be able to join who are more junior, who come from other walks of life.
Yes, I am a former professional opera singer. I love to code every day. That was the stupidest, lamest thing ever.
We schedule and arrange our pairing rotation so that very junior people can pair with very senior people, and also everything in between.
They put me on support for my first day, so it was like, go fix bugs in this crazy code base, but I was pairing with Bobby, and he knows everything just sort of backward and forward. And like, if I had been alone, and they said, go fix this bug, I didn't know anything about Mavenlink, so I would have had a bad time.
Actually, the last job I had, I wasn't pair programming. I was sitting by myself and kind of just thrown into the deep end. And part of me loved that because it was a huge challenge to figure everything out myself. But I was really afraid that I was not developing good habits. You can make it work, but is it right?
There's like that organizational knowledge that is sometimes hard to tap into if you're not having that conversation all the time. And having the opportunity to pair with both new folks and folks who have been here since the very beginning, right? You get a nice spectrum. Otherwise, like, how would you tap into that? How would you know, like, doing these few things saves you a lot of time and a lot of pain later?
I know that when people are soloing and they have headphones on, like, I'm a lot more reluctant to say, like, hey, I know that you have context on this thing, like, can you come over and save me an hour of work because you know it in 3 seconds. When people are pairing, it's like you can just shout across the room at someone and get an answer really quickly, and it's more fun.